Today we will have a look index signature in TypeScript and when we can use it. Let's imagine that we have some object that the keys can be dynamically. For example, user can add it in dynamically and we don't know the key names. In this case, for example, it can be email, name and key and another key. Here we cannot assign all of the keys. And then we want, for example, to print the keys and values. In this case, we can use index signature. To use index signature, we need to use this syntax. So now it means the user data can be, the keys can be string and the value also can be string. We can replace this key. It doesn't matter the key here. It can be user key, for example, or other value. The type for the key should be string, number or symbol. Other type are not allowed. And the value, it can be string, it can be any number. For example, we can have string or number here. In this case, it means we have object that the keys is string and the value can be string or number. We can use any type we want here. Now let's have a look this code example. For example, we are using third-party API that we are getting the dynamic keys. The value always the same. And in this case, we cannot specify all the keys as it can be dynamic. And even here that we have some mistake, we will not get the error. Look, we don't have name, but we are not getting the error. So here we also can use index signature to fix the issue. And now we will see that we are getting error here. So you can use index signature the places that the keys are dynamically. We have a look how to use index signature in TypeScript and where you can use it. Thank you. Have a good day.